Hello everyone, my name is Vijish from Electrical and Electronics Department. Today we are going to discuss optical sensor. Figure below shows the commercially available optical sensor, and it will be cost about below 50, and it will be available in the local market. Let us start with the working of an optical sensor. This is the just representation of an optical sensor. The optical sensor has two limbs. One is here and another one is here, and one limb is provided with a phototransistor. Phototransistor is a device like transistor, but it will get energized with the presence of light. And in the second limb there is an LED, and when it gets energized it will produce lights. If you connect this module to the control circuit, then the LED will get energized, and that light will reach towards this phototransistor, and the phototransistor will also get energized, and it will produce a high, that is a digital value, that is a control signal to the control circuit. In order to find out the speed of a rotating shaft, the shaft should be provided with a hollow disc like this, and place the module above the disc, because if the hole is in the exact line of sight with the LED and phototransistor, the light produced by the LED will reach towards the phototransistor, and the phototransistor will get energized, produce a one signal, that is a high signal to the control circuitry. If the hole not in the exact position or exact line of sight with the LED and phototransistor, the light will not reach to the phototransistor. That's why the phototransistor will produce a zero signal or a low signal towards the control circuitry. Thereby, during rotation, we can count the number of pulse produced by the phototransistor. By counting the pulse produced by the phototransistor, we can find out easily the speed of the rotating shaft. This is the first method. In the second method, we can use the figure A shows the first method. Here is a LED and here is a phototransistor. In the second method, that's the reflective sensor method. There is a on system. There is a on single piece provided with on phototransistor here and a LED here. When we connect to this when we connect the system towards a control circuitry, the LED will get energized and produce the light, and that light will go towards a shaft. This is a shaft, and the shaft is provided with a reflective coating at on side. During rotation, if the reflective coating finds the LED light, that LED light reflected towards the phototransistor. That cycle will repeat it in each revolution. By counting the pulse from the phototransistor during each rotation or each time, by measuring the time and the pulse from the phototransistor, we can find out the speed of the rotating shaft easily. The next figure is the commercially available tachometer, optical tachometer. That's all. Thank you.